Welcome to Best Cool Tech. In this video, we'll be exploring the top AI tech that can help you make money. Artificial intelligence has come a long way in recent years, and it's being used in a variety of fields to increase efficiency and productivity. In this video, we'll be looking at some of the most promising AI technologies that can help you earn more money. First up, we have AI-powered financial planning and investment tools. These tools use advanced algorithms and machine learning to analyze market trends and predict the best investment opportunities. Some of the most popular AI-powered financial tools include robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront, which use algorithms to create personalized investment portfolios for users based on their risk tolerance and financial goals. These tools can help you make informed decisions about where to put your money, potentially leading to higher returns. In addition to robo-advisors, there are also AI-powered financial management tools like Mint and Personal Capital, which use machine learning to help you track your spending and create a budget. Next, we have AI-powered customer service chatbots. These chatbots use natural language processing to understand customer inquiries and provide helpful responses. By automating customer service tasks, businesses can save time and money, and customers can get their questions answered more quickly. Some of the most popular AI-powered customer service chatbots include Drift and Intercom, which use machine learning to improve their responses over time. These chatbots can handle a wide range of customer inquiries, from answering questions about products and services to helping customers troubleshoot problems. In addition to customer service chatbots, there are also AI-powered customer service platforms like Zendesk and Freshdesk, which use machine learning to route customer inquiries to the most appropriate support agent. Another way AI can help you make money is through freelance work. There are now AI platforms that can help you find freelance jobs that match your skills and experience. Some of the most powerful AI-powered freelance platforms include Upwork and TopTool, which use machine learning to match freelancers with clients based on their profiles and job preferences. These platforms allow you to create a profile outlining your skills and experience, and then use algorithms to match you with relevant job opportunities. This can help you find more freelance work and potentially earn more money. In addition to finding freelance jobs, AI-powered platforms like Gusto and Co can also help you manage your freelance business by automating tasks like invoicing and time management. AI can also help you make money by improving your productivity. There are a number of AI-powered productivity tools available, such as virtual assistants and project management software. Some of the most popular AI-powered productivity tools include Asana and Trello, which use machine learning to help you organize and prioritize your tasks. And these tools allow you to create project boards and assign tasks to team members, and then use algorithms to suggest the most efficient order in which to complete them. In addition to project management tools, there are also AI-powered virtual assistants like Cortana and Alexa, which can help you manage your schedule and keep track of important deadlines. These tools can help you streamline your workflow and get more done in less time, potentially increasing your earnings. Another area where AI is making an impact is online advertising. AI-powered ad platforms can help businesses target their ads more effectively, leading to higher conversion rates and more revenue. As a content creator or influencer, you can use AI-powered ad platforms to monetize your content and earn more money. Some of the most popular AI-powered ad platforms include AdsIS and AdEspresso, which use machine learning to optimize ad campaigns for maximum efficiency. These platforms allow businesses to set their ad budget and target audience, and then use algorithms to optimize the ad placement and targeting to get the best results. As a content creator, you can also use AI-powered ad platforms like AdThrive and Mediavine to monetize your content and earn more money. These platforms use machine learning to optimize ad placement and targeting on your website or YouTube channel, potentially leading to higher ad revenue. Next, we have AI-powered content creation tools. These tools use natural language processing and machine learning to generate content that is optimized for search engines and social media. Some of the most popular AI-powered content creation tools include Articulo and Wordsmith, which use algorithms to generate high-quality articles and blog posts. These tools allow you to input a topic or keyword and then generate relevant content based on that input. By using these tools, you can create content more quickly, potentially leading to more views and revenue. In addition to content creation tools, There are also AI-powered editing and proofreading tools like Grammarly and Hemingway, which use machine learning to catch spelling and grammar errors and suggest improvements. Another interesting AI-powered content creation tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a natural language processing model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text based on a given prompt. This tool allows you to have a conversation with the AI, asking it questions and giving it instructions, and it will generate responses in real time. ChatGPT has a wide range of applications, from generating social media posts and email marketing content to helping with script writing and story development. By using these AI-powered content creation tools, you can create high-quality content more quickly, potentially leading to more views and revenue. In addition to content creation tools, there are also AI-powered editing and proofreading tools like Grammarly and Hemingway, which use machine learning to catch spelling and grammar errors and suggest improvements. Overall, AI-powered content creation tools are revolutionizing the way we create and consume content, making it easier and faster to generate high-quality content on a wide range of topics. In conclusion, AI technology has the potential to help you make money in a variety of ways. From financial planning and investment tools to customer service chatbots and productivity tools, there are many AI technologies available that can help you increase your earnings. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or content creator, there are AI tools out there that can help you streamline your workflow and improve your efficiency, potentially leading to more revenue. Thanks for watching Best Cool Tech. Be sure to subscribe for more tech reviews and analysis.